Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I know I'm usually behind the camera for YouTube videos and in front of the camera from other stuff, but I just wanted to share with you guys that this video is not for anybody under 17. Absolutely not. I would not even allow my own kids to watch this video. South Park came out in the late 90s. I grew up in the 80s and the 90s, so it didn't faze me. It was something that we just watched. I put in my description the chapters so you can just toggle through. So yeah, I hope and pray you stay as a sub. If not, then sorry to see you go. Thank you so much to Basic Fun for sending us the new Tiny TV Classics. I hope to get more, which will be more kid and tween and teen friendly. They are actually already coming out in stores at Walmart this month. There will be more coming out later in October. They're going to be $24.86 at Walmart.com and at Walmart in store. Also going to be available globally at Walmart Canada and in the UK. I'll put all that information in my description, chapters in my description below. And if you are under 17 and watching, don't get mad at me if you get offended at some stuff, because season 1 of South Park is pretty offensive. I'm going to put this all over the place, 17 and over only, okay, guys? I'm going to be like your mom. No kids under 17, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the unboxing. Bye. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you the brand new Tiny TV Classics by Basic Fun. Thank you so much to Basic Fun. They sent me this awesome campaign box that looks like an old box top TV. This is the TV I had in my bedroom growing up, folks. Like, had no remote control. There were these like toggles on the side, and on the side here of the cabinet, there was like a TV tuner where we had to like tune in the channel. Otherwise, you'd see something called snow. So if you are not old enough to understand what I'm talking about, look it up. We had TV snow. Anytime you saw snow, it was like either you were on channel 3 or channel 4 and you had to like switch over. I also did not grow up with cable. Anyway, let's move on. However, I already know what's inside the box because I took a sneak peek. I just wanted to show you how cool this campaign box is. Like these, I don't usually save a lot of them, but this one I'm totally gonna save. It has so many details that I just remember as a child. These were just like, I remember touching these. I could still feel the texture of the actual dials on the back. And this came out maybe like about like 2 feet. So you really needed a lot of space. And if you were watching TV for a long time, if you touch this, it would be super duper hot. You can see like the detail here. It's almost 3-dimensional. Just the artwork is really super cool. It also had handles in it, so you could transport it easily from room to room. Oh my gosh, so cool. So thank you so much to Basic Fun. Let's get it unboxed. I'm going to talk more about it and then we'll unbox the one that's inside. Let's do this. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos and toy news. Let's do this. Even the inner carton has that wood grain on it. So they really did a good job sending this box out. I hope the people who get this actually appreciate it because this is really super cool. I'm definitely going to be keeping this. Okay, now I got like the inner carton out. Let's take a look. So we have some, paper in here. They gave us candy. Thank you so much. Awesome. Some caramel corn. But you know what I don't see in here? I don't see cheesy poofs. We need cheesy poofs for South Park. Come on. I have been a fan of South Park since season 1. No joke, I have been watching since season 1. I used to go to my friend's house to watch it because I did not have cable, like I said. What's really awesome about these Tiny TV Classics is that they all adhere to all of the televisions from each era. So this is a TV from I want to say South Park came out in the 90s. I think 1995 it came out. And this was just the beginning of TV starting to change the way they looked. Of course, I did not have that kind of TV, but later in the late 90s, maybe 98, sorry, maybe it was 1998. I have to look this up now, oh my God. Okay, I was totally wrong. South Park started in 1997. Wow, that is cray-cray. But it was started on Comedy Central, and of course, you see here, even Cartman has his own cheesy poofs. So I'm gonna have to get some cheesy poofs and enjoy watching my little tiny TV. How cute is this? So this is season 1. Hopefully, we get more. They actually started the line off with 8 different SKUs. So they have Friends, they even have movies, they have Back to the Future, there's the original Batman that we all know and love, including South Park as well, which is what I have here. Family Guy, which is awesome. So happy to have that. Big Bang Theory, which is just like a huge cult classic. Not a fan, but everybody loves it. Star Trek, the original Star Trek, and Bob's Burgers. So that being said, they have two shows from Fox. I'm hoping and praying that they get that license for The Simpsons. Now that The Simpsons are with Disney, I doubt it very much. Who the heck knows? So all I have to say is, please bring The Simpsons to this line for series 2. That would be awesome. There are so many different scenes of The Simpsons that we can do, but I am so excited to see which scene they chose. So it says clips from season 1. We're probably going to be getting the cow aliens and everything else. Okay, let's just do this. So let me show you the back of the box. It says beefcake, beefcake. I used to do Cartman really, really well. I can't do it anymore. So we have a full color TV, a real working remote that's going to be able to control the TV. Plus, if you collect other tiny TVs, classics, you're going to get the retro screens from each era. So we have the ultra retro 50s to 60s, and that's going to be showcased in Star Trek and in Batman. Then we have retro 70s to 80s. This was another TV that I had in my house. Same thing with those rabbit ear antennas. And you're going to get that in the Back to the Future movie, tiny TV. And you're going to also see that in, that's it, Back to the Future. 2010s to now, that is a flat screen TV. And you're going to see that with Big Bang Theory and Bob's Burgers. Family Guy is going to share the TV with South Park. And Friends is actually going to have the same TV as the Millennial one. That's weird. That started in like 94 or something like that. But anyway, okay, let's keep going on. Let's take it out of the box. You're going to be able to get the Tiny TV Classics in store now in July, and this is going to be a global release. So you're going to be able to find it at Walmart in the US, Walmart Canada in Canada, and you're going to also find it at Smyth's UK. And the Republic of Ireland will have it as well. Wave 2 of season 1 will actually be out in October. You're going to get Big Bang Theory, Star Trek, and Bob's Burgers out in October. All right, this is for 17 and up. So it's NC-17. Oh my gosh, let's get this unboxed. Oh, there's a button in there. Awesome. You also get your own little scene. Here's a little remote that actually controls this awesome toy. This is so super cool. Takes a button cell battery. It looks like 2 button cell batteries. Very, very nice. It has play button, pause button, power button, channel up and down, volume up and down, that screen box, which was still the same crazy fat back box. It also has capability on the side to go channel up, channel down, and it has a reset button as well. Now you just pull this out, and this is probably going to just release the try me mode, but let's just cycle through try me mode. Oh, it even has a power button, volume up and down controls. I also love the fact that we have this little like cabinet here at the bottom where you would put like a DVD player or a VCR if you had one. So stinking cute. Let's just put it in the actual setup. This is just so adorable. I can't deal with it. Look at this. Look how cute that looks. I love this. If you had a whole bunch of these, how cute would that be on display? Oh my gosh, I love it. This is so cool. Let's turn it on. Oh my gosh, it's Mr. Hanky the Christmas Pooh. He loves me and I love you. Beefcake! Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take out the actual thing right here so we're going to be able to use the whole TV. That was so cool. And I really hope you watched my disclaimer at the beginning of this video. There was some cursing in there, but if you're a fan of South Park, then you already know that the curse words are there. I did cut them out for any viewers that might just not be listening to the beginning of the video. However, they do go full throttle with this. Once you pull that tab out, it's going to start doing, there's no holds barred with this, and you really can't like block out South Park. Come on. But let's turn it on with the remote.
Well, shucks, if I weren't real, could I sing this jolly Christmas song? Santa Claus is on his way, loaded goodies on his sled, drop 'em off on Christmas Day, and I'll say howdy ho. It's a hickey. I'm getting trouble. Folks will gather around the fire, sing a song, and tell the choir, please tell the Lord.
Okay, so it just shut off again. I wonder if there's any more. It's so much in here. Let's just keep going. Okay, so we already had that one. What's that one? I love this so much. I like really do. I love the fact that you can also control the volume, and it actually has the old style volume like splash screen or whatever it is, the thing that goes up. And I just love everything about this. I think this is one of my favorite collectibles of 2021. I gotta be honest. Super simple to use. You can actually control it from the remote control or the actual TV set. There is a power button on the side along with a volume up, volume down, and then the other side is channel up, channel down. If you have issues with it, just press reset and you'll be good to go. It also has sleep mode, so it does go into sleep mode and shut down. Turn back on to where you left off, which is really cool. So you can press the power button. It doesn't always work, so you have to actually press it from the set top to start it up. Thank you so much to Basic Fun. This was awesome. This is one of my favorite boxes I've ever received in the 5 years of doing this, so thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Respect my authority.